Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
How's everybody doing tonight? Thank you all so much for coming out. My name is Katarina.
Necesito aquí conmigo, que you know that I need you. Puedes traer a tus amigos, que estamos cómodos. Esta noche no hay problemas. If we rock that drama, let me rock my hips and move them slowly tonight. Say I need just one dance for you, good girl, I can be bad too. Yeah, just tonight, yes, say I need just one dance for you, show you how Latinas move. Hey, just tonight. Me necesito seguir contigo, con nadie somos solos, tenemos la atención de todos. Hoy te quieres porque los dos, todos aquí están bailando. Now they're taking all the photos, boy, come grab my hips and move them slowly tonight. If I need a bounce back, let me know, I'll lay low so you know I got you. Yeah, I can't forget all the nights that we spent just kicking back. Love on fresh shit, ain't here I rock, ain't nothing to compare, waving the top. Yeah, they better come prepare, yeah, what we say, come up with the lead, I'll show you how we bosses up around here. I said I need just one dance for you.